The trial into the 2020 general and regional elections was once again delayed on Monday. When the case was last called last Wednesday, it was adjourned to Monday morning. However, on Monday morning, the defendants were not present in court, and upon arrival in the courtroom, members of the media were informed that Magistrate Leron Daly would not be present. Upon further inquiring, the newsroom was told that Magistrate Daly, who is presiding over the trial, is sick and the case has been adjourned to Wednesday, August 7 at 9:30 a.m. This is not the first time this case has been delayed since the long outstanding trial finally commenced on July 29. In fact, at the third hearing last Wednesday, the trial hit a snag after issues predominantly centered around the admissibility of evidence, the accuracy of court records, and the use of names of persons who are not defendants in the case forced an abrupt adjournment. A series of witnesses are expected to testify in the trial. However, to date, one witness, that is Minister of Local Government and Regional Development, Sonia Parag, has concluded her testimony. A section of Parag's statement was struck from being admitted into evidence in the case after concerns were raised about her mentioning the name of an individual who is not the defendant in the case. This too happened after much delays, which saw lawyers in a banter before a decision was taken by the magistrate to exclude this section of the information. King Counsel Darshan Ramdani, who is leading evidence in the case, had raised repeated concerns to the court that if this continues, then the majority of the evidence in the case would be affected. 9 persons are before the court in relation to electoral fraud. They are former APNU AFC Government Minister Balda Lawrence, former GCOM Chief Elections Officer Keith Lowingfield, former GCOM Returning Officer for District 4 Claremont Mingo, former GCOM Deputy Chief Elections Officer Roxanne Myers, APNU AFC's Chief Scrutineer Carl Smith Joseph, and 4 former GCOM employees Sharfane February, Enrique Liven, Michelle Miller, and Dennis Cummins. They face 9 conspiracy charges, which are said to have been committed between Elections Day, March 2, 2020 to August 2, 2020. It is alleged that the defendants conspired during the 2020 general and regional elections to defraud the electors of Guyana by declaring a false account of votes cast. The trial was initially expected to run for a period of 6 weeks, but now with constant delays, it is likely to run longer. Reporting for the newsroom from the Georgetown Magistrates Court, I am Sharda Bacchus.